Hi guys, it's me, Josephine, and today I have my daughter with me in the room. So you might be able to hear her and see her, like right now. Yes. I had some jeans leftovers of a jacket because my husband took off the arms of his jeans jacket, and in this video I show you guys how I made a robe out of this jeans leftovers. You might not be able to see everything perfectly, but I'm trying my best because I took a part of that video in the middle of the night and it was pretty dark. But I'm sure you will understand what I did there, and I will explain everything as much as I can. I hope you liked that video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. I see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching!